percent of the earning is spent on rent. So I will write rent 66%, 12% on bills. So I will say bills 12%, and 5% on gifts. So these gifts now 5%. What percentage of the earning remains? So we just add all the spending all that has gone to. So that would be 66 plus 12 plus 5. That would be 17. 66, 17. That would be 1. That would be 7. That would be 83. 83% will be the money, the amount, the percentage spent. So, and the question is percentage of any remain. So that case, we now have 100 minus 83, and that will be 17%. This one is just, we are doing this a mile over 60 minutes, the x over 90 minutes. So make sure the miles are upper part, the minutes are the down part. So cross multiply now. So remember, we are cross multiplying. So we have 60x, 6 times x equal to a times 90. So for us, we don't need to multiply this a times 90. Just divide both sides by 60. So that if you multiply, that will still make it bigger number. So you don't want to complicate it. Divide 0 by 0 here. And we can say 3. 3 in this, 2. 3 can divide 9. That will be 3. 2 can divide 8, 1. This one we cancel each other, we divide each other. So 2 we divide 2, 2 we divide this, 4. And the answer there, 4 times 3, be 12 miles.